Okay, hi guys, today it's 9 August, Women's Day in South Africa, and I came here to close off my vlog. I went to Randfontein to take out my labels. I had 2 labels at Randfontein, which was, I had this shopper bag at Legit, I think it's 220, and this jacket. I do have a 2 leather, but this one is a bomber jacket, and I got this, and it was 100 rand off because it is 480, but you take 100 rand off, then I took it in 380. And the last thing, I made a lay-by of these perfumes, Elizabeth Andrew sunflowers. I got this 100 ml and 30 ml, so this is what I wanted there. And we bought some food at Pedro's with my I went there with my daughter, so we bought food for now. I'm waiting for her so that we can eat. This is the closing of my vlog, of my last week vlog. This is my closing of my vlog. Thank you guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. Thank you so much for watching and doing everything. Please continue to do that. Hi guys. Hi guys, I am back from town again. Today it's 10 August and I want to buy my baby's lunch stuff. So I got these 2 juices, 2 snacks. I hope this will last for a month, yes, I will, the snacks especially. And I bought her some Viennas. Usually I don't buy her Vienna's rations or polony because she's allergic, but I want to see and try if chicken, does she really react on chicken. So I bought those. That's why I didn't buy a big one, about some Nutri-Bay, some biscuits for her, marshmallows, and bananas. This is for her lunch, and that means I'll buy bread. And she has some pies. I just mix and match every day. So okay, so this is her stuff, and I have to add on my home stuff, household. I bought this milk. I don't know why, but I am into Bonita long life milk, Sana. I love it so much. This is the only brand that I love and enjoy. And I am out of vinegar. I had to buy one. I can't have a kid and not buy this. Kellogg's noodles. Oh, again, my baby is allergic to those. So today I just want to make this for me only, because Yana, she reacts to this. And I bought some rye pack and beef pork. So this is the beef. I think I'll cook it tomorrow, and this I don't know. Okay, this all okay. And some sweets. I can't live without the sweets. I can't. I'm a teacher, by the way. I'm not going to cook. We're going to eat street rice too. And my sister showed me flames, Kesana. She bought these glasses and I didn't have money. Like, I didn't have money. Malami pelegi lunch kalele. So at least I did buy for me and my daughter, at least. And for the visitors, guys, I'll see you. I think I'll see you. But for now, I've got those 2. And what? Have home some luckily I was with my daughter and she reminded me that I don't have this and this. And lastly, I bought hair cup. The other one is an moshakele, so I had to buy a new one. And this is her juice that she was drinking. And I want to range this one. Bought her a skirt san asidur because Sissy loved the skirt and I'm like, why not? Because spring is here, so my baby did spoil herself again. I'm sorry. And for the money, Sana, to tell you that I saw this yesterday at Legit. It was nice, by the way, but it was 450 and that was on sale. 450 on sale. And I was like, I mean, I want this cropish what's this, cropped jacket. And I got this from Range. It was 230 and I bought it 150. I fitted medium, but it was short on my arms. Problem is, I think my arms are too long, so most of the times when I wear something, jacket or something, I have to buy large, even though I am small and medium. But yeah, I had to buy this and I was so lucky. What do we have? Nothing. End of the day. Thank you so much, guys. Sana, I am back and ndivula umchini wami ke sana. Drum rolls. Sana, I don't know after how many days. This is the receipt of the machine. Sana. Oh yes. There's a guy in the box. And finally, my perfect machine. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Okay. This is it, guess and today I am using this machine. I'm not using my hands anymore. I'm not using my hands anymore. Sana. I'm so happy because this is my washing machine. I'm no longer using my hands anymore. Thanks to my sister. Thank you so much.